Now, what is actually the main objective of the Quran? This was the subject of the Quran. What's the main objective of the Quran? Quran wants to produce human individuals who are pious, who are straightforward, who don't harm anybody. But they are not ready to be harmed also. La zarara wa la zirara. Don't harm anybody, but don't let anybody harm you. La tazlimuna wa la tuzlamun. Don't do injustice to anybody, but don't let anybody do injustice to you. So a human personality, a healthy human personality, and its elevation, spiritual elevation, its intellectual elevation, its emancipation from the animal instincts, from the bondage of id and libido, so that he becomes a real man, a real human being, a real vicegerent of Allah on earth. He becomes the Khalifatullah as individual. And secondly, to build a society which is free from injustice, should be based on justice and fair play. No exploitation. Don't exploit anybody, but don't let anybody exploit you. Don't repress anyone, but don't be repressed also. Stand up, get your rights, snatch your rights from those who have taken them from you. So actually all these things, that is why the Quran says, why we have sent our books, why we sent our prophets, why we sent our messengers. It's one of the most profound ayat of the Quran. And very little attention has been paid to this ayah. This is ayah number 25 of Surah Al-Hadid. لَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا رُسُلَنَا بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ. We sent our messengers with clear signs. It means miracles also. It means the teachings of the messengers of Allah, because they are very clear to human nature. So they are bayyinat. لَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا رُسُلَنَا بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ وَأَنزَلْنَا مَعَهُمُ الْكِتَابَ وَالْمِيزَانِ. And we sent down with them our book, our sharia, our law, and the mizan, the balance, which is the symbol of justice. And all these things we did. Why? لِيَقُومَ النَّاسُ بِالْقِسْطِ. So that the people should abide by justice. To eradicate injustice. That's the main objective of sending of messengers, sending down of the revelation, sending down of the book of Allah, sending down of the sharia and the law. لِيَقُومَ النَّاسُ بِالْقِسْطِ. So that people should stand by justice. They should act according to the rules of justice. There should be fair play. لِيَقُومَ النَّاسُ بِالْقِسْطِ. وَأَنزَلْنَا الْحَدِيدِ. And we sent down iron also, steel also. فِيهِ بَاسٌ شَدِيدٌ. It has the capacity for making arms, strength, swords and spears, and cannons and guns. And what for? Although there are other benefits for humanity. وَمَنَافِعُ لِلنَّاسِ. They can make utensils also out of the steel and iron. But mainly we have sent it down. Why? وَلِيَعْلَمَ اللَّهُ مَنْ يَنْصُرُهُ وَرُسُلَهُ بِالْغَيْبِ. Allah wants to see who are those people, His slaves, His bondsmen, who are faithful to Him, who take this power and then, they fight out injustice, repression, exploitation. That is actually the very basic theme of the Quran. So philosophy and social sciences